So you can't see her right now. My cat Storm has escaped. And she's going to make me chase her. Yeah. Come on, Storm. My laundry timer's up. Meow. I'm going to show everybody what you do. No, that's not your house. Come on, Meezer. That's the laundry I'm supposed to be putting in the... Well, sure, but I have to chase my cat. Come here, you. Oh, see? She stops, and then she runs again. Oh, my Lanta. Stormadorm, you're driving me crazy. Come on, man. Somebody's going to take my stuff out. Yeah. If I don't get down there, somebody's going to take my stuff out. So come on. No, you don't live there. No, come away from there. That's not your house. Your house is over here. Storm. Yeah, we got you. Oof. So I'm going to turn the camera on us. This is the part where she purrs and coos because she got away with something. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, there you are. I'm going to put you on YouTube so everybody can see you. Yep. So now I have to click open my door and move us in a little bit, and then sit here and wait for it to start to close, otherwise she'll run back out again. So now I'm going to sit here. Let's have some more footage of Storm. He's purring like a machine. You are such a little boog. Okay, so now that the door is closing, you get in there and you stay in there.